You can sort boats. Today while we read You Can Sort Boats, we need to know how to sort things. Let's look at some pictures of some different boats we'll see in our book. We're going to sort them into big boats and little boats. This is a ferry. A ferry is a boat that people and cars can go on. It is a big boat, so I'll put it on the side that says big boats. This is a kayak. A kayak is a little boat. Only one person can fit in a kayak. The next boat is shaped a lot like a kayak, but several people can be in it. It is called a canoe. It is a little boat. This is a fishing boat. It is a big boat. So I took my 4 boats, and there are boats that we'll see in our book, You Can Sort Boats, and I put them in 2 categories, big boats and little boats. You can sort boats. I need to know these words: boat, canoe, ferry, and sort. Some people have boats. People have many kinds of boats. Some boats are small, some boats are big. You can sort small and big boats. This man has a boat. This boat is a kayak. A kayak is a small boat. Many people can ride on this boat. This boat is a ferry. A ferry takes people to many places. A ferry is a big boat. Some people have canoes. A canoe is a boat too. Is a canoe big or small? A canoe is a small boat. A canoe is small like a kayak. People work together on this fishing boat. The people get fish in their nets. The fishing boat is big. The fishing boat is bigger than a kayak. It is bigger than a canoe too. A plane can land on this boat. A plane can take off from this boat too. This boat is bigger than a kayak. This boat is bigger than a canoe. This boat is very big. Look at this boat. Is this boat big or small? What boats did you sort? Kayak, ferry, fishing boat, canoe.